What would I do if I were the president of my country for one day? Okay, if I were president for just one day, I know I wouldn't be able to change everything, but I will focus on starting change that really matter, especially in education, social development, and regional equality. First of all, I would focus on education. I believe education is the foundation of any country. I would invest more resources in public education, especially in regions that have been historically forgotten, like many areas on the Caribbean coast. Better schools, better teachers, and better opportunities can change lives in the long term. Secondly, as someone from Santa Marta, I will definitely take action to reduce the delay and inequality that my city has faced for many years. Santa Marta has enormous potential tourism, culture, nature, and strategic location. However, problems like poor infrastructure, lack of opportunities, and corruption have slowed down its development. Right. As president, even for one day, I would push for transparent investment in infrastructure, public services, and youth programs in Santa Marta and the entire Caribbean region. I will make sure that resources are actually used to improve people's quality of life, not lost due to corruption. Another important action would be to strengthen employment opportunities for young people. Many young Colombians have talent and motivation, but they don't have access to real opportunities. I will promote programs that connect education with work, internships, and enterprises. Finally, I would send a clear message. Public power must serve the people, not personal interest. Being president, even for one day, would mean acting with responsibility, honesty, and empathy. In conclusion, I, if I were president of my country for one day, I would focus on education, regional development, especially in Santa Marta, and creating real opportunities for young people. Thanks.